Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Naija Online Biz working with Microsoft Word and Excel. Today I'll walk you through the steps on how to insert Naira sign on Microsoft Excel. In our last video, I showed you how to insert Naira sign on Microsoft Word. So let's look at how to insert Naira sign or symbol on Microsoft Excel. To insert Naira sign on Microsoft Excel, you need to program the Naira currency symbol into your computer as it is not readily available. So the first thing we do is to go to the window button, click on the window button, go to the search bar, type region, click on region, select additional setting, then currency, look at the currency symbol, delete one of the foreign currency symbol and paste the Naira sign. So you need to have copied the Naira sign. Click apply, then click OK. So you have successfully added the Naira sign on your computer. The next thing you do is to launch your Microsoft Excel. So you can search from here. Go to insert. Okay, first of all you need to select the currency, then insert, go to symbol, then you can see the Naira sign, select the Naira sign, insert. You can then add any amount you need, let's say 10,000. So you can see we have successfully added the Naira sign on Microsoft Excel. That's very simple. Bye for now.